All right, this week our 3-year-old classes are reading Little Red Hen, where Little Red Hen bakes bread. Our 4-year-old classes are reading Little Red Hen makes a pizza. So we're going to focus on the H sound this week. The H is our dog, and he's panting, and he goes, ha, 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 ha. So make sure your child is using lots of air and voice off for the H sound. Some things that you can talk about around your house. Of course, that starts with an H sound, but you can talk about what you have. So I have this, I have that as you're playing a game. Really emphasize the H in have, and then also what you're holding. H is usually one that kids are pretty successful at saying, so if your child is struggling with some other sounds, this might be a good opportunity to practice a sound that they are pretty good at this week. And if not, lots of opportunities to model the H sound as we read Little Red Hen and Little Red Hen makes a pizza.